Alright, so I'm going to go over how to make this particular view, which is a public-private diagram view, and place it on a sheet, and also this schedule, which is a schedule that looks at how these two go together, and reads sort of those two. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this view from the sheet, and I'll delete this schedule, and then I'll go ahead and delete the public-private right here from the floor plans and remake it. So to create a floor plan that has a color scheme, and we went over color schemes previously, what you want to do is go to one of your floor plans and duplicate one of them. I'm going to go to my schematic floor plan here, and I'm just going to duplicate that view. And then I'm going to rename it. Diagram public private. Okay. And then what I want to do is set a color scheme current right to this. So I'm going to come over here, and under color scheme I'm going to go ahead and click and set department, which is going to have the public-private current, right? And I'm going to click OK. And it's going to reset the color scheme based on that public-private. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, just to clean it up a little bit, probably turn these guys off, so view hide those. And it's up to you whether you want like furniture and stuff, you can view hide the furniture, and just sort of clean it up a little bit so it looks more diagrammatic. The other thing we want to do is go ahead and change the scale, because if you look at the sheet, right, I've got these guys set to a smaller scale. They're 1/16 of an inch as opposed to 1/8 of an inch. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to my public-private, go down here to the scale, and change that guy to 1/16 of an inch. Now if I go to my sheet for my plans, I can then go to my public-private and drag that onto my sheet, and you'll see that it wants to line up, right? So I'll line that up and left click. It places that there. Now you'll see when it comes in, it has a view title that is the default Revit view title that's not really super great. So I'm going to come in and pick this guy and go to the viewport pull down here and select viewport gray, right? And it'll go ahead and set that to a different title type, right? So you've got that right there. All right. So one thing that I did forget to do was to put the legend on here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to double click on my floor plan right here and bring it up. And then if you go to annotate, you will have a color fill legend. And if you click on color fill legend, it will bring out the color fill legend for you. It's pretty limited on how you can manipulate this, but I'm going to go ahead and put that there. And then if I go back to my sheet, right, you'll see that that legend appears in the view as well. All right. When we come back, I'll go ahead and do the schedule for us.